guys, welcome to AI with Funzi. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn OpenArt into your ultimate creative toolbox. Create consistent characters for your story, change object color instantly, add realistic props and objects to a scene, and even brand your products with your own logo, all in minutes. Yes, I'm going to walk you through every step from signing up to creating studio quality results. No design background needed. Let's dive into the tutorial.
First of all, head over to openart.ai and click on sign up and sign in with a Google account, that is a Gmail account. So just tap on continue with Google. Make sure you have already created an email address you want to use. Tap on continue. So guys, once you successfully sign in using your Gmail account, this is the next interface you're going to see. This is where the magic happens and everything, and I'm going to explain to you guys everything on this very page. This right here, we are given 40 trial credits. Yes, once you sign up using a new Gmail account. So on this interface right now, these very 3 lines, once you tap on it, that's by the very left side, you're going to see home right here. You can do so many things using OpenArt. You can create music videos, explainer videos, but to tell you the truth guys, I think from my own opinion, OpenArt is only is only free whenever you want to create images. Yes, that's when you use the 40 credits you are being given. You can see it's just a trial credit. So any other thing, creating of videos and all that, you need to subscribe to their premium plan. So let's just explore the free things you can actually do with this AI tool. There are so many things you can do with this AI tool, and that's the reason why I am making this tutorial. You're going to be focusing on generating images. So I'm going to tap on generate image. This is the next interface I see. You can see it right here. There are a whole lot of things you can do with this. Let's start with one of my favorite features using OpenArt. That is keeping the same character across multiple scenes. Let's say for instance you are making a story and you want to have consistent character across the different scenes of your story. So just get your text prompt. Getting your text prompt is very important. So once you get your text prompt, first of all, generate the text prompt that describes who you're talking about, right? So at this very place here, you need to first of all put in the style of your photo, the style you want your photo to be. There are so many styles in OpenArt. You can see view 100 plus more style presets. When you tap on that, you're going to see a whole list of styles. You can see so many styles here: vibrant fantasy, so many styles you get. Even pixar, there are even different types of pixar styled images you don't know. You're going to see them all in this place. So the kind of photo I want to, or the kind of image I want to generate is a photorealistic image. So I'm going to search for realistic portrait. So that's what I want. So I'm going to just tap on that. I have picked the style I want for my image. So this very place that says model / character, I want to pick floss context because I have actually used it and I like how it generates my images for me. So I'm going to switch it because this is not floss context. This name right here, Juggernaut Excel, is not floss context. So I'm going to tap on switch and let it switch from what it is to floss context. So there are different floss contexts right here. I see floss context Dave, floss context Max. So I'm just going to use this floss context that has this pro. I'm just going to use it. So I'm going to tap on this. The next thing you need to do is to input in the prompt. That means that you can use OpenArt to generate images. So I'm going to cancel off this prompt that is here. This is not my prompt. This is my prompt right here. You can see how short this prompt is. If you tap on auto enhance, you can see that this auto enhance is off. What the auto enhance means is that if you tap on it, it's going to elaborate, like expatiate your text prompt. So I don't want it to expatiate on my text prompt. I just want it as it is, like this. So that's why this auto enhance is off. So this has been done. Then this omni reference, we're going to come back to it. That is what we're going to use to create our consistent character in the different scenes we find our character. What we are doing right now is just to generate our base image just from our text prompt, you get. So this size, you're going to put it on any aspect ratio you want. Widescreen is 16:9, that is YouTube standard, so I just like using 16:9. Then the number of images, you can go ahead and swipe this back, it's reduced to 1. I've understood that the higher your images, the higher credit you will be charged. If, take for instance, I increase it to 2, you will see that I'm going to be charged 10 credits. But if I reduce it to 1 image, I'm going to be charged 5 credits. So just bear that in the back of your mind, and you know that we are just given 40 credits as a trial. Once we exhaust it, we cannot replenish it. So once everything has been set as it is, I'm going to tap on create. This is the image of our character. You can see it right here. It just generated it within seconds, you can see. So if you're okay with it, you tap on download. So I'm going to tap on download right here. This is going to serve as a base image for me to create multiple scenes. So since I want to maintain this same character in different scenes, I just need to first of all generate my base image, which is like my foundation, before imputing the different scenes it is. So that's what now brings us to this omni reference. So this omni reference, what it means is that you want consistency of your image, so you can use this omni reference. So what you have to do is that since we have generated our base image, so I'm going to tap on this icon right here and tap on upload. Remember, I've already downloaded our image. This is the text prompt for the scene I want this my character to be. You can see same woman, she is in a beach, like barefoot on the beach. So let's see how she will look in this particular scene. So these very things are still remaining constant, yes. So these are the things that are just changing the prompt and imputing in the image for your omni reference. You just have to check the output size you want. So number of images 1, this will cost us 5 credits. So let's create this and see if it still maintains the same physique with our initial image. Our images look exactly the same, like the physique of this lady is still the same even though she is in different scenes. So guys, I went ahead to create so many scenes, so we can use this method to create consistent images of your character in different scenes.
With OpenArt, you can add objects and props to a scene. Say for instance, let's say you have a picture of a lady sitting on the couch. You can easily place a pet right beside her or on her laps, making it look like she's been sitting with the pets initially.
For me to add like a pet close to her, that means I need to first of all upload in the original image of she sitting alone. So in the omni reference right here, I'm going to tap on it and upload in the image of the lady sitting alone. That in the image of this lady sitting alone on the couch, you will see that there is nothing added, there is no puppy added, or there is no pet added to the scene. So for me to then add another object to this particular scene, once I have uploaded the image I want on omni reference, so in my text prompt area, this prompt area, I went ahead to say add a golden retriever puppy to sit close to her. So this is just my text prompt, simple. And then once I've done this, what I will do next is you just need to put in the aspect ratio, and for the number of images, since this is just tutorial, I need 1, so I'm going to tap on create, and you have to wait patiently for this to create. As you can see it right here, it looks perfectly okay, like as if 2 of them were sitting together. I also generated an image when the golden retriever puppy was just sitting close to her, and right now the puppy is sitting just just as if she's carrying the puppy. This looks so nice. In addition to adding an object to a scene, you can actually upload in two images. Yes, in the Omni reference side, first of all, upload in your model image. Take for instance, you sell caps and this is your model. This particular person is your model, and you want this cap, you want this your model to wear the cap. So first of all, in the first box, upload in the image of your model. Then for the second box, upload in the image of the product you sell. So once you have done that, this is the prompt where your magic happens. This determines how your results will look. So in the prompt area, I said let the man wear the face cap. Simple and short. Make sure that these settings are still intact. The style is in photorealistic, then the model floss context, you can still, it depends if you are actually dealing with realistic stuffs. I think these two models are okay, or these two settings are okay. So once this has been uploaded, these two images, you put in your default aspect ratio images. It depends on what you want. Then after everything has been set, I'll tap on create. You can see right here, this our cap has been fixed on the head of our model. You can see it, but I think I prefer me putting my image and just putting the text prompt of how it should be. You get, so that means you can also upload in two different images, put in your text prompt, and it generates what you want. Branding isn't just for big companies anymore. With AI, you can instantly see your logo in any of your products without printing a single thing. Let me show you how you can do this with OpenArt. On the same interface where we are editing our image, you still need to put the custom settings to photorealistic. For the model is still on floss context. Upload in the image of your product and the transparent background of your logo. That means your logo should be on a transparent background. So I'll tap on the Omni reference. You can see right here I'm uploading an image of my tote bag. Yes, my tote bag. That is what will be on the first box, while the second box I'm going to upload in the transparent background of my logo might also be like a sticker, whatsoever that you want to like put in your main product. You get me? So once this has been done, at this prompt, make sure you always put your prompt, because that's what will direct the AI on what to do. This is what I wrote right here. I said place the uploaded logo naturally on the center. So it depends on where you want to place the logo. So you might put it in the center, by the side, or wherever. So make sure you indicate that where it should place the logo on your product. So I said you should place it naturally on the center of the tote bag, matching the curve and texture of the tote bag surface. Realistic printed effect. So this is it right here. This is my bag, which is still plain, and this is the logo, or let's say the sticker I want it to be in it. So put in your aspect ratio. It depends on what you want. So your number of images. After that, tap on create. You can see right here, this has actually merged my logo or my sticker to my tote bag. So this is very, very effective in case you have your product and your logo. One of the coolest things you can do on OpenArt is to take any object and instantly change its color without losing the initial details of that particular image. You can actually use the Omni reference to actually achieve this. So on the Omni reference, upload in the image which you want to change its color. So guys, as you can see right here, I've uploaded the image which I want to change its color. So at the prompt aspect, I went ahead to say change the color of the sneaker to pastel blue with white lace. You can see that the sneaker is totally white, so I want it to have this kind of white and blue lace kind of combination. You get? So the aspect ratio, set it to what you want. So guys, as you can see right here, this is the result of our image. So I actually tried it with other stuffs like helmets, bags, and all that. Even someone that is putting on a dress, you can actually change the color of the dress. So guys, if this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing so that you get more of this kind of AI tutorials. Thank you guys for your support. I really appreciate. I'll see you guys in my next video.